I am from RoboFun Lab Porbandar. So today my model name is Watchtower with Cable Car. Raj and Riya went to bird sanctuary to see birds, but they are unable to watch the birds. So they decided to make a watchtower. In this model, I have used one battery, one motor, and this pulley mechanism. These two pulley and these three pulley mechanisms help us to move the cable car. This is my own design model. So the watchtower is in a high place, so that people can watch all the birds and trees easily. Watchtower is in always mountain, parks, and is used for security surveillance. Let's see now how this border works. Thank you.